guys, welcome back. Happy Saturday. In today's video, Ernie is going to be installing those shelves for our linen storage in the attic breezeway, so I'm super excited about that. But we have not had breakfast yet, so I took a couple of those sweet potatoes that we blanched and froze out of the freezer, and I'm going to run them under water really quick, some warm water, and then put them in the microwave to soften them up because I want to use them right now and I forgot to take them out. And I'm going to make a sweet potato hash. Okay, while those sweet potatoes are defrosting, I'm going to take this bacon and get it sliced up. This is a great way to use like leftover ingredients in your fridge. And that's the first thing we're gonna get going. You wanna get this bacon cooked until it's pretty much crispy. And you don't need to add any oil to the pan. Renders from the bacon is plenty for everything. All right. Put my little splash protector on there. I think these potatoes are gonna be good enough, defrosted enough to dice up. Get these peeled. Well, you know what? You don't need to peel these, actually. The sweet potato, they've been washed. They were washed before I froze them. So you do not need to take the peel off of them. You can if you want to. But they actually hold a lot of nutrients. So make your life easy and leave the peel on. The peel is actually just sliding right off. But the beautiful part about this is before we put them in the freezer, we blanched them, so they were on their way to cooking, so they're not going to take long at all for breakfast. Slice them real easy. It's a pretty rustic breakfast, so you don't need to make sure the pieces are perfectly even or anything. Have you done anything yet?
No.
No? Okay. Huh?
I'm just clearing everything out. I have to get all my tools and
Okay.
hardware.
Okay, well, he's got everything out. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm making breakfast.
I got all wood material, like the pine wood.
Yeah.
You gotta see the shelves that are pretty wood.
Oh, let's go check them out. I gotta give this stuff to Corey and Robert tomorrow when they come drop the kids off. Oh, and tomorrow, really quick, our storage units for the garage are here. So the guy will be here tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. to install them so we can turn this disaster into organized. Oh, those are nice.
They're nice and wide, so.
Yeah, perfect. He's got his workstation set up, and this is all the boards for the finishing. We'll check in on him as he's doing the project. Now, the bacon is good enough. So we're going to scoot that off to the side here. We're going to add the onion. Okay, that for just a minute. All right, those are sauteed enough. Let's go ahead and add the sweet potatoes in now. We're gonna add some pepper. You guys know how I feel about my pepper. Lots of pepper. Ooh, and we have men overboard trying to escape. I am going to add a little bit of salt because there's plenty with the bacon. And to enhance the flavor of the sweet potato, we are going to add some paprika and a little bit of onion powder. I know, I've already used onion, but I always like to add that, and my garlic powder. Give this a stir. Like I said, the sweet potatoes are already blanched, so it's not going to take much longer for them to be fully cooked. This lid doesn't quite fit, but it fits over enough where I can trap some of the steam, and we're just going to let this simmer until the potatoes are just about done. While we wait for breakfast to be done, and before we go upstairs and follow along with what Ernie's doing, I wanted to let you know that channel memberships are now available, and you guys will be receiving not only your special badges when you join, but you're also going to be getting bonus videos during the week. So I'm excited about that. I just spent 2 days filming one, my very first one for members. So thank you to everybody who's joined already. It's just $4.99 a month, and it's a great way to support my channel and the work that I do for you guys. So I just wanted to throw that in there. No big deal. Doesn't change anything on my channel. No pressure. I just wanted to give you guys the option. If you want to see more homemaking content here on my channel, it's a great way to do that. If you're interested in joining, I have a QR code right here for you guys. So if you're watching on your TV, just take out your camera, point to this QR code. It'll take you directly to the join link. If you are watching from your phone, I have a link in the description that'll take you directly there. So thank you in advance. Let's get back to breakfast. I added a little water because the steam helps with the potatoes. And I think Yep, they are perfect. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to 1 pan breakfast. I'm gonna crack the eggs directly in here, put the lid back on and let them cook. Put a little pepper, go, and some salt. Oh, I need salt for my pinching bowl. The lid on here. And then I like my eggs fried a different way, so I'm gonna put mine in here.
La la ya la ya la ya la 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 ya la ya la ya la ya la la ya la ya la ya la 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 ya la ya. Sua mãe.
Meantime, I'm gonna get some toast made.
Chuva levou todo equipamento, só deixou as roupas do varal, os limão do quintal e a pasta impermeável com os documentos. Eu disse à filha como é que vai ser, ela disse não sei o que fazer.
Yeah.
Vem pra cá. Bota ela no
Ernie,
avião,
breakfast.
que eu durmo no chão.
Let's go see what Ernie's up to. How's it going up here?
Good, good.
Oh wow, okay. Nice. These are the back braces. So we're doing 5 shelves.
Yeah, I only got 4.
So we're gonna do one. So do this one last then. So I don't know if you can see the line. We're gonna have one here, and what are they? You can't see that. There you go.
There's 16 inches.
16 inches.
Shelves, which is
Nice.
the size of that box right
And this
there.
is
so-
4 feet.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be lovely. Yay. Look at that. That looks so good. Wow, babe. That looks really good. Love it. Now we have shelf number 2 up. Oh, those look so good, babe.
It looks alright.
I can't wait to get them loaded. Beautiful. Not bad for a day's work. Are done. Let's take a look at them. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Ernie decided to not do the lower shelf down here, which is better because I have that stuff there that I want to stack under here and then use all of these for linen. So we have all of this stuff here that we need to get organized in there. So let's take care of that now. Okay, the shelves are done. Ernie did a great job. He decided to not put one down the lower one because I have boxes and stuff that I want to store under there with my candles and everything. So we got 4 and that's going to be plenty of storage for what I need it for. So let's get it loaded up. So I think the first thing should be probably the pillows, and I'll get up on the stool. Oh, this is gonna be great. Can we fit all 4 of them? Or maybe side by side. Let me take 2. I can do, this one needs to go on the bottom. Oh, this is a big one too. This is perfect, actually. And then the quilts, maybe? Whoa, there's like a little lip here, so I actually have more room than what this shows. How many more quilts are there? I want to try and keep like items together. I wonder if I need to fold this better so it's not so thick. everything fit in here just beautifully. So perfectly, everything. And now I have this space down here I need to fill up, so let's take care of it. Okay, I think the first thing I'm going to do is these boxes. Can you lift that one on top of that one for me? Unless it's not heavy, I can do it.
This is the heaviest one.
Okay. I don't want to store stuff in here that doesn't need to be stored, so this is Mel stuff. We got a little decluttering done. This is trash. See if my daughter-in-law wants that, and that goes in the garage. And everything is nice and neat in here. How beautiful is that? I love it. What a great use of space. I can't believe we've lived here for 3 years with that space there. And everything is now gone. So perfect. Okay guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's short but sweet, but we got one little recipe out of it. We got some beautiful shelving out of it. This is so nice. Super excited because tomorrow at 9 a.m. the guy shows up to install those over the head garage storage things so we can get that garage all organized. I can't even wait. I'm so excited. And that is the last thing on our to-do list before the kids arrive. A week from the day you guys are watching this, they will be here. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Thanks so much for staying till the end, guys, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.